If you care about fast lead follow-up, this video is for you. In this lesson, we are going to set up a simple workflow to alert sales reps in Slack when their target accounts visit your website's pricing page. This type of automation increases pipeline conversion rates by alerting your sales reps exactly when their target accounts are in market. It provides them with all of the information they need surfaced right in front of them, so they have no reason not to follow up during that critical 5-minute window. We're going to set this play up by first setting up a Slack integration with ZoomInfo. Second, we'll use ZoomInfo workflows to configure the triggers and actions that will notify me when a target account I own visits our pricing page. Part 1. Integrate Slack. So the admin portal in ZoomInfo gives me a unified command center to manage integrations between ZoomInfo products and third-party apps. Meaning, when I connect my Slack integration by clicking Connect and Allow, I can now access the Slack integration with all the ZoomInfo products I am licensed to here. Now we'll set up our workflow. Because website activity is the underlying trigger to this workflow, I can set this up quickly by selecting the Site Visit Targeting Play template from ZoomInfo's Go-to-Market Playbook. This will automatically lay out the foundational components to this workflow that I can customize to my use case. First, we'll configure the website step to trigger when a specific product page is visited. And then I'll add an additional filter step that will check against our CRM, so this workflow only triggers for accounts that I own. And where the number of open opportunities is greater than or equal to 1. Note, website visitor identification only provides insights at the company level and doesn't specify what contact is visiting our website. This is why we're going to create an action step that uses ZoomInfo data to automatically grab our target contact personas. And because this play triggers for our sales solution page, we're going to target decision maker and influencer personas in the sales department. Now I'll configure the export step to send them as leads to Salesforce. I'll assign them to the relevant campaign, and then I'll assign them to myself. Now I'll set up a Slack notification. I can notify any Slack channel or user, but I'll just send them to myself. I'll turn my workflow on. And if I set this up for all of our company sales reps, anytime a target account visits our pricing page, the right sales rep will be sent a Slack message with key information about the activity, the company, and the contacts surfaced right in front of them, so they have no reason not to follow up during that critical 5-minute window. Thanks for watching, and to learn more about ZoomInfo integrations across all ZoomInfo products, go to marketplace.zoominfo.com or talk to your customer success rep.